Hey guys, this is Jennifer back with another YouTube video. Um, I am I am doing a video on my hair real quick. Let me turn off that incense. Um, my husband just took a shower, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick video on my hair and then my makeup look so I can get ready. In this age of social distancing, we get ready for Zoom calls. So I'm going on a Zoom call and you still gotta look your best. So just to let you know, I already have makeup on. I already have my CC cream on. I've already done my brows, so to speak. So what I'm gonna do is amp it up with some eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do something with my hair. So I'm gonna start with my hair first. I'm going to try to just sweep my hair to the side. I just colored my hair. You could check out that video as well. So what I'm going to do is move my whole hair over to the side right here. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing here, just kind of like a double roll. Pin it down. So I recently, you guys, interlocked my hair, so that's why it's a little stiff as far as not going where I want it to go, but in another week or two to be fine. So I try to leave it down for the most part, but it's just kind of not wanting to do what I want it to do right now. So I figured, let me just leave it up. I had rolled it earlier this week on some flexi rods, and it gave it a little curl. So it still's got a little curl. So, but anyway, just to get me through this part. And I already feel like there's hair hanging down. So I'm gonna get those at the back. Okay, stay. Stay here, stay. Okay, well, let me get the back. Okay, my husband may interrupt me at any moment. Okay. Okay. So there's the front. Trying to get all the hairs that are down. So it's kind of a double roll. There's a small roll here, connecting to another roll here, and then there's a roll in the back. So I'm going to show it to you how it looks. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much the hairstyle. I'm gonna move on to the face. Give me a second, I'll be right back.